small boat that's what they call rapid phase vulture. The wingspan of him is 3 meters long. Ladies and gentlemen, check out your phone and come already. It's going to operate this right away. You know, you can hold up to 13 pounds of around 6 meters vulture. And the wingspan of him is 3 meters long. Back to our picture. It seems. Aggressive vulture. Can I have a big hand of holding our national flag of UAE? This is our yellow bell kite. So one of them, this is our white-headed vulture. One of the beautiful vultures from the vulture family. The wingspan is 2.7 meters long. On the back of the secret items, they normally do a good job after the vulture. They are the scavengers. Thank you so much for